Are you ready to build real wealth through residential construction but don't know where to start? At the First Step Builders Alliance Training Academy, we make it possible for anyone to become a successful home builder with zero prior experience. Our comprehensive program gives you everything you need: buildable lots with city-approved permits and pre-approved plans, financing for beginners, no special connections or years of experience required, virtual training and hands-on field experience guided by licensed pros. Learn on your schedule with our Virtual Builder Boot Camp, an 8-week step-by-step guide covering construction timelines, budgeting, and contractor management. Experience every critical phase of construction, from framing to finishing, alongside licensed contractors and city inspectors. Many of our students recoup their $25,000 investment with profits ranging from $50,000 to $85,000 on their first build. Ready to take the first step toward creating real wealth? Enroll in the First Step Builders Alliance Training Academy today.